Assalamualaikum and welcome to all of you on my channel. Today I will give you introduction to geometry. What is the learning objective for today? At the end of the lesson or end of the video, the students are expected to be familiar with basic facts about geometry. All the concepts related to geometry will be discussed in this video. What is geometry? From where geometry word is derived? How geometry is related to our daily life? How geometry make our life easy? All these things will be discussed in this video. So let's start with the definition of geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with shapes, angles, dimension and sizes of a variety of things we see in our daily life. Next, geometry is derived from ancient Greek words geo, that means earth, and metron means measurement. So basically geometry is related to measurements and for accurate sizes. In Euclidean geometry, there are two shapes that are 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So here what is Euclidean geometry? Basically it's the study of geometrical shapes that are plane and solid, or you can say that they are figure based on flat surfaces or plane surfaces. So geometry is the study of different types of shapes, figures and sizes in maths or in real life. In real life, we always need a perfect or accurate things according to our demand. So all these things or all these concepts came from geometry. The basics of geometry depend on majorly point, line, angles and plane. On all these 4 points basically geometry depend, because when we need something we told them the size according to the point, line, angles and plane. All the geometrical shapes are based on these basic geometrical concepts. To get familiar about the different geometrical shapes, first of all we need to learn the basic geometrical concepts. Why we need to learn about geometrical shapes? Because the different types of shapes in geometry help us to understand the shapes day-to-day life. With the help of geometric concepts, we can easily identify the 2D and 3D shapes in our daily life, and with the help of geometric concepts, we can calculate the area, perimeter and volume of shapes. Here I just shared the 5 uses of geometry in our daily life. Construction of buildings. The best use of geometry in daily life is the construction of buildings, dams, river, roads, etc. Computer graphics, art, measuring orbits and planetary motions, and in interior designs. So this is all about today's lesson. Hope your concepts have been cleared. If you have any question, you can simply ask me or comment me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu